Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial made by Quick Study. So these tutorials are being uploaded to help the students learn easier for their exams. So today I'm gonna say about incremental model. It comes under a software engineering topic. So let's go into it. So incremental model, actually it is similar to uh, the previous video that I have done, that is waterfall model, but it's a additional feature is added to the waterfall model. See, to explain this, I'll take an example. Let us suppose we take WhatsApp, right? In the first version of WhatsApp, we can see that there's only messaging using the phone ID, but there was no other features like cam integrated feature and status feature. These are all updated in higher versions, from the lower versions to higher versions. So the same applies in incremental model. In waterfall model, what do you do? We'll go to these phases, right? These communication, planning, and then modeling, then construction, then deployment, and we just stop. That is, our product is developed. We say that our product is developed. But here, as you can see, I have shown in the, I have told you about WhatsApp, right? In that WhatsApp, you'll get versions, right? So that each version of the product is nothing but the whole process done again and again. That is known as an increment. See, I'll say it clear. Increment is nothing but after performing the see for after performing the communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment in the software development lifecycle process, we'll get one final product that is said to be increment. And again this process is going to be done as increment 2. That is, in the first increment we'll get one product, right? That is said to be a core product. Here I have mentioned that's known as core product. Using this core product, again the whole 5-step process is going to repeated. That is, increment 2 initial phase we use the core product of the final increment 1, and this goes again the 5 steps are repeated. There's a communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. Again we get a second product which is known as a second increment. Like in WhatsApp I have said, right, a new feature, every new feature is nothing but equal to increment. Like that, uh, increment n is the n time the process have been done, and the final delivery will be the product. Here, as we can see, after each increment we can also take the customer reviews, and we can decide what are the features that has to be and what are the features that has to be removed. We can even assess that. That is one of the most advantage that is present. That is updating application with new features. That is what I have said. And then product delivery as well as customer review, that is the advantages to point out. But disadvantages is like, I think, what costly process. It's a costly process. As you can see, there are no number of iterations. It costs more. The testing, we have to pay the testing team, we have to hire the developers. Yeah, it's costly. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share and like.